Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add blurred highlight transition in CapCut. For example, I'm going to add this video to the clip, and um, I'm going to split the clip before. No, I'm going to split the clip before this, and then I'm going to add a transition that's blurred highlight. Just click transition, and you can find it in camera transition. And alright, the blur transition. Here's blur highlight transition. Just drag and put between the clip like this. Okay, you can adjust for a duration. So here we go. Okay, just for a duration like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's simple how to add blurred highlight transition in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation. Thanks, bye bye.